Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Sunday reset routine. So we've been snowed in for a little over a week here. The kids' school got canceled, so we've all just been sitting in the house, just watching movies and all of that. They are going back to school on Monday, so today's a perfect day for me to reset the house and get things back in order. I'm gonna be doing a quick clean in the kids' bathroom, some laundry, picking up around the house. I have a recipe to share with you guys, so let's get started. So I'm definitely not going to deflate our air track just yet. We've had it up all week. The kids love it. My little one loves tumbling, so that's what this is for. So for now, I'm just going to be cleaning around it. Two different stems in this vase, and I'm just going to take out the white ones and switch things up a little bit with the ones in my living room. One thing I try to remember to do each week is to throw all of our throw blankets in the washing machine. Every time we sit down on the couch, we are always using a throw blanket. So I just washed the one I have on the couch now. So just a little reminder to not forget about your throw blankets. I did end up going back and getting that ball under the cabinet over there. It's driving me crazy as I'm sitting here editing it. Never even vacuumed underneath the cabinet. So yeah. So moving on to the entryway, I need to vacuum here, but before I do that, I need to put all these clothes into trash bags because these are all going to Goodwill. Next, I'm gonna move on to just a couple small loads of laundry. Kids' clothes on this drying rack have been sitting here for days, so I need to get that put away. Also washed their towels the other day, so we're gonna fold those, and then we're gonna move on to their bathroom. Moving on to the kids' bathroom, I am gonna take everything out their shower and use the OxiClean bathroom cleaner. Their tub this time around isn't bad at all, so it's not gonna take me any time to clean it. I am gonna get my electronic brush to get in the little crevices because I did notice some soap scum. So if you haven't purchased this, definitely go on Amazon. I got mine from Target. It was like $19. It comes with 2 different brush heads. It makes cleaning those little areas so much easier. after I finish with the bathroom, I'm gonna throw their shower curtain liner in the washing machine, but for now I'm just gonna hang up their shower curtain. I love when towels come with these little hanging loops, especially for a kid's bathroom because it's easier for them to hang up, and to me it looks better. Their bathroom is clean, and now I'm just going to throw their shower curtain liner in the washing machine, and then we're going to move on to mop the floors. As far as cleaning and picking up is concerned, this is going to be it for that because it's getting a little late and it's time to start on dinner. And we're going to be making a chicken and barley soup. This is going to be the first time trying out this recipe. I've never actually cooked with barley before, but I do like it. So here we go. This recipe came from a creator on TikTok. I will have her name linked down below in case you want to check her out. I love her recipes. So with this recipe, I'm going to be using a rotisserie chicken, but you can definitely cook your own chicken beforehand. But you're going to need carrots, celery, an onion, some garlic, red pepper flakes, thyme, bay leaves, Parmesan cheese, 8 cups of chicken stock, white kidney beans, 1 cup of barley, a lemon, fresh dill if you like dill like that. You need some kale, salt and pepper, olive oil, and then some grated Parmesan cheese. To a Dutch oven, add some olive oil. In my case, I'm using avocado oil, and then you're going to add your carrots, your celery, onions, and then you're going to add your garlic after your veggies are pretty much cooked down. Here's where you're going to add your red pepper flakes if you want to use red pepper flakes. I'm not because of the kids, but once your veggies are cooked, they're nice and soft, add your chicken, and then you're going to add like a big chunk of Parmesan cheese, 2 bay leaves, all of your chicken broth, and then your can of kidney beans that you've already drained and rinsed. Once everything is boiling, add your barley, cover it, and cook it on low for 20 minutes. Once your 20 minutes are up, you're going to add juice of 1 lemon, 3 big handfuls of kale, and some fresh dill.
By any chance, did you put seeds in lemon?
Stir it and let your kale cook down for a minute and you are done. Remember to season it as you go. I do salt and pepper and Cajun seasoning, but you can do whatever you like. You can top it off with some fresh grated Parmesan cheese and some more dill, and it is so good. That's going to be it for today's Sunday reset routine. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on the next one.